Hey guys, welcome to Mai Chau. So Mai Chau is about 4 hours from Hanoi on the way to the Laos border. We've actually stopped over here on our way of crossing into Laos in a few days' time, which we will make a video on and show you that as well. We're staying in this really cool little homestay that's a little bamboo hut up on stilts. We've got it for about $9 a night. Once again, we got it for that price because we used a referral link for booking.com, so we'll leave a link down below how you can get some money off as well, and it helps us a little bit in our travels as well. We're going to take the bikes today and have a bit of a look around the rice fields and the mountains and everything here. So yeah, stop for some lunch and maybe go check out the sunset later on.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad.
So we've just stopped for lunch at this cool place called the Mai Chau Hostel Cafe. I've got a burger in a baguette with some fries on the side. It was only about $4, and Casey's got the chicken curry with a bit of rice, and it's only $4. So yeah, just stopping here for some lunch and a drink, and then we'll get back out and explore the villages a bit more.
It's so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go.
So we've just come from lunch. We went back and grabbed the motorbike, and we've actually gone for a ride up into the hills. We saw on Google Maps that there were maybe some rice terraces up here, so we just jumped on the bike and headed up here. But the way of living up in the hills here is way different to even just down below. That it's completely rural. So you see those really traditional stilt houses where they've got nothing in them. They're just like slats of wood on the ground and just lifted slightly up off the floor. And people are carting things around on bikes. We saw a guy carrying 2 giant things of bamboo down the road just to obviously go back and build something in the village, but it's definitely the proper rural village way of life here.
Keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on, but we should know better. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
So for us, Mai Chau is everything that we wish Sapa had have been. It's still got the cool rice terraces and the rural way of living, but I mean, it's still not very touristy. You're not getting hassled every time you walk down the street. People aren't trying to sell you stuff. Everybody that lives here is still just living their normal way of life. They're still just farming rice and weaving silk clothes. And we've actually just come out to this sunset bar here to have a few drinks and watch the sun go down and have some dinner. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe. As I said, we're going into Laos soon, so we'll have a ton of cool videos shortly. But yeah, that's it from us today. We'll catch you guys next time. Bye!